Good morning, Orchard STEM School. This is Mr. Hoydick, your art teacher. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple portrait. A picture of a face. We're going to start right about in the middle of the paper with a sort of an egg shape. And when I have lines I like, I'll make them darker. Now, 2 lines on the sides down at the bottom of the egg. Now from there we'll just have a couple of lines, gentle curves coming out from the side. Of course, what we have is the head and the neck and the shoulders, right about there. They don't have to be perfect. Now we're going to break our face in half from left to right. Don't make this line too dark because you're going to erase it later. It's a guideline. Then halfway from the top of the head and the chin, we're going to make a line straight across. So you have what looks like a big plus sign or a cross. Now, this is where the eyes will go, but not yet. Between this line and the chin, so between the eye line and the chin, we'll make a line for the nose. Just a little line, that's all you need. And then finally, from the nose and the chin, we're going to make a wider line. That's going to be the mouth. So, let me put in some darker lines and you can see it's starting to look like a face. Now we're going to add some details. Going to make a nostril on each side and a little dip down. Going to make the top of the eye and a round circle for the eyeball. You can make the line on one side of the nose. I wouldn't do both. Pick a side. I picked the left side here. Now, as far as the mouth goes, I want to put a little U right here for the top lip, and I'm going to make just a curve on the bottom. Now, ears go from this line down to that line. I just kind of put a box in, show you where the ear is going to go. And from here down to about there. They don't have to be exactly perfect, but the more symmetrical they are, that means they match, the better. Hey, look up here. There's actually 2 curves, and those are going to be the eyebrows. And depending on how the person is looking, eyebrows could be closer to the eyes, or they could be further away. I make a dark part in the middle of the eye. I want to curve the neck a little bit. Add some more lines. Now let's figure out the hair. And we don't need to make details for the hair. We just need to figure out where it is. We don't have to decide whether it's curly. We don't need to decide whether it's straight, braids, dreadlocks, bald. Well, bald, you wouldn't do this. And there we go. That is how I make a simple portrait. Could be anybody. Our next step will be to take it a little bit further. All right, try it. Let's see how you do. Remember, you can always start over again. If something looks strange, it might mean that it's out of proportion, that means size, or it's in the wrong place. Hey, thanks a lot. Have a great day.